Good morning, and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are in Turkey. We're in Ephesus, Turkey. Yeah, y'all. So I'm not sure what we're gonna go and do here, but I really want to go see their gold. I was told that they have like really nice gold, authentic gold pieces for a decent price. So that's what I want to do. Oh no, you're good. Thank you. That's where I want to go. But outside of that, I really don't know. But from what we can see from the cruise ship, it looks really nice. So I'm gonna try to do my best today. Oh, my hair is looking crazy. It's so hot here, y'all. It's been so hot that yesterday this is probably gonna be my hairstyle for the rest of the cruise because it's so hot that I was barely able to finish vlogging in Sarantini. It was like crazy. But I'm gonna try to do my best today. I got a hat yesterday when we were in Greece, so I'm just gonna use it today, even though it doesn't really match my outfit. But I'm gonna use this, and then yeah, we'll see what Turkey has to bring. Let's go.
Yok.
So this is like a shopping district, you know, we have the little bags here, and I guess it's clothing, but it's nice. It's really nice out here. I'm glad that it's covered though, because in Greece we were just in the heat, so I like this. Look at this. I was not expecting Turkey to look like this, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't know what to expect, but it's like, that's nice. I'm like really excited about it. It's cool.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love
Okay, so y'all, turkey was so unexpected. Not gonna lie. I thought we weren't gonna have much things to do. Like, I thought it was gonna be kind of like a get off the ship, see a few things, get right back on, and that's not what it was. It was a whole city and shops and restaurants, and it just was unexpected, but it was a good unexpected. We had a good time. We bought a lot of nice things. And as you can see, once we got back on the ship, we did a lot of different like activities. We went to some game shows. We went to a couple shows. It was cool. It was a good vibe yesterday. It was really, really hot. But I'm trying to do better because I did really bad on the Santorini one because it was ridiculously hot. And I forgot to put my camera out. But anyway, yes, so that concludes the turkey vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And until next time, bye.